This video is sponsored by Best No Copyright Music. I'm often asked where it is I get the music that I include in my videos. The answer to that question is Best No Copyright Music. Whether you need music for your own creative needs, your own videos, or you just want to vibe out to some of the best tunes on the web, Best No Copyright Music. Link to their channel is in the description. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I've got a quick unboxing for you today. Continuing my coverage of the iPhone 14 series, we've got the product red silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm telling you right off the bat, this is going to be the case to rock, the case to sport around the holiday season, maybe in December or something. I do wish they made a red or burgundy leather, but it's all good. If you want something like that, you can still get it, but not from Apple. Let's get straight to it. It's a white box, just like the box for the iPhone 14 Pro itself. It's got a picture of the case, kind of in its life size, if you will. It says iPhone 14 Pro silicone case, MagSafe, and you got that product red symbol on the bottom. Either side, nothing. Top, nothing. Bottom, nothing. Now this opens up a little bit differently than the leather cases for some reason. You've got a pull tab for these. The leather cases, you just pull on this and it opens up. So pulled that tab, open this up, and here it is. A bright and vibrant red, as you can see here. You've got an Apple logo there, slightly darker, but no texture to it. It's the same as, you know, the same sort of elevation, no deboss, no emboss. You got the cutout here for your camera. And take this out. What else do you got? Nothing you're gonna care about, to be honest. Just one booklet, some printed info, but point stands, I don't think you care about this. On the inside, you've got that soft sort of felt material designed by Apple in California, it says. There on the bottom, assembled in Thailand. All right, so I've got the space black iPhone 14 Pro. Let's slap this bad boy on here. You get your wonderful animation. Well, it's a really bright red here. Is it a strawberry red? I don't know. Not sure, but looks like this from the front. Side. See how your always on display looks with it. On this side. On the top. On the bottom. Cutouts, as you would expect. Perfect. Hard to see because the phone itself is black, but I'm trying to show you, if I can, the speaker grill cutouts and the microphone. But see the USB-C. Or sorry, the lightning port cut out there. Turning it around. This is how it looks from the back. Real nice contrast. Of course, black and red is always a real nice combination. Real minimalistic, simple here. Don't have a bunch of colors going on. Not too busy looking, just black and red. Really is nice. Bit of a raised lip. So it's not gonna be a ton of protection, but I think good enough for most people. If you have a real rugged lifestyle, maybe you need a OtterBox or something, but you can put the phone face down, no problem. It's not going to touch the display. Of course, you got MagSafe on this. Now, I've avoided using MagSafe on my leather cases just because I don't like that circle that pops up. I don't know if it'll be as prominent here. So let's test wireless charging with this case. And you see that is working. Saw the charging animation there. See wireless charging working, no problem with this case, whether it's MagSafe or not. So I guess that's about it, guys. This video is going to be kept short and sweet. There's not much to say. Let's test these buttons out real quick. Power, nice and clicky, no problems at all. Volume up and down. Hope you hear that. Clicky, perfect. There is nothing wrong with the buttons on this case. So this has been the iPhone 14 silicone case with MagSafe in product red. Did you pick up an iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, 14, 14 Plus? Let me know. Let me know what cases and accessories you're rolling with this year. What color phone did you get? And what color accessories as well. And for more coverage of the iPhone 14 Pro series and other phones this tech season, hit that subscribe button to be the first to know when those videos drop. And thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next one.